Backward.
Wait,
Did it start?
yeah.
Okay. Wait, do you think you'll hear it from there? Yeah, I think it's fine.
Should I turn it sideways?
No, I think it's fine.
Okay. So, if you saw our last live stream, we talked about chips of Mexico versus US. But today, we're gonna have an eating competition. So we both counted out 21 hot Cheetos, that's a serving size. And we made sure that they're about the same size. And we're gonna use chopsticks. So whoever can finish it in the fastest amount of time first wins. So our friend Sam is going to time us whenever she's ready.
Well, wait. Let's just, get this clear. Leslie has real chopsticks. I have pencils. So she has an advantage.
Or maybe she has an advantage because she's got shorter grip. Okay, so you know what? Let's not roll anything out. Shout out to Gana, Gaho, and Rina because they gave me these from Japan. So love you all. Sam, you ready?
Do you guys want me to do a stopwatch?
Yeah, right. Because then you would just stop it when the person. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit! What proximity can it? Okay,
I don't think.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Wait, does it have to? Are we gonna set
Can we
rules?
go like here? We didn't set rules. Is it so? Basically,
It has to be without chopsticks.
has to be with chopsticks. You can't go like that. But
Okay.
so
Okay. Can we start with one already holding or no?
no.
Wait,
Okay.
my phone kind of was being wonky. Give me a couple seconds.
There's people commenting.
Yeah. Oh, hey Marcos. We're challenging ourselves to see who can eat 21 hot Cheetos the fastest with chopsticks. So stay tuned. Okay, tell us what.
Hold on.
Food
It'll take
reviews.
a while.
Food reviews: hot Cheetos with limon. 100
They're
out of 10.
We added extra lemon though.
Hey, I found one that wasn't part of it. That was small. Eat it.
No, I don't think that.
You guys are already messing up. I can't.
Wait, if we drop one, are we disqualified?
No.
You better save that.
Leslie.
Wait, hold on.
I'm back.
Okay, everybody. So I have the stopwatch, and when I press go, then they'll start. Okay.
Oh, shit.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Wait, you can't hold it.
Oh, not holding it.
Cheaters.
Same way.
Okay, ready, set, go.
That's true. I'm sorry.
Don't choke.
Oh my god.
What are we doing?
Yeah. Sure. Done.
Okay. So Leslie was able to finish in 1 minute and 2 seconds. with 50 milliseconds.
Wow, I'm sad.
So this is us prepping because we're leaving to South Korea, but also eating chips because we like chips.
What were you prepping for South Korea for?
Practicing
Using chopsticks.
Oh.
You know, right?
Oh,
I know, they're spicy.
Mom. Thanks.
Are we done? Yeah.
Yeah, bye. How do you do this?